everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and I have the December Sew Sampler here to share with all of you guys. It just came super late tonight on the East Coast, but I'm having a small procedure done tomorrow and I won't have time tomorrow to do this, so I'm gonna do it now. Hopefully you guys are all still kind of available to watch it tonight. If not, you can see it tomorrow morning. But yeah, this box is $29.95 per month. It's a subscription box on a monthly basis put out by Fat Quarter Shop, and then you do have to pay shipping and handling. But let's go ahead and see what we got this month and the last month of 2025, if you can believe it. Okay, our theme for this month's box is Starlit Homecoming 2025 December. I'm just going to read you what the special is for this month. There's nothing really fancy to show you. It's literally just lettering. But it says special Sew Sampler savings. Take 25% off of stationery and planners to jumpstart your 2026 plans. So there is a code for that. And then there is a quilt along here that's going on. This is the Quilt With Us. Join us for the Fat Quarters by the Dozen quilt along. I think I showed this on the last video as well. But there's that. If you're interested, there's the QR code. And then there's also another quilt idea for you. It says Fat Quarter 4-patch shortcut quilt. These patterns are available on Fat Quarter Shop's website for everybody, not just Sew Sampler members. So go ahead and scan that QR code now. We do get our foldable insert here that tells us the contents of the box, as well as the price of each item. I'll go ahead at the very end and total this up to see what we saved in this month's box. And before I forget, if you haven't already checked out, we are doing Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I think we did day 22 today. Yes, it's the 22nd. So we have 3 more days to go. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll put a link at the end of this video for that. And then I also did an unboxing yesterday, I believe, of the Secret Stitch Co. and Lello Boutique box that they put out twice a year. If you want to see that, I'll also put this on the video at the very end. And then just a reminder, please like and subscribe. And also, if the items in this box are available on Fat Quarter Shop's website, I will go ahead and put those down in the description box below so that you can just have an easy link to get to those. So let's see what we got. Enough rambling. Sorry guys. Okay, so this first item is actually hilarious to me because on our last video, somebody, actually I think a few people, not even just one, said that they would love to get this in a box. Okay, so Fat Quarter Shop is paying attention. They're listening. Here we have the Alpha Clippies Specialty Marking Clips by It's So Emma. It retails for $22.98, and it says keep your quilting projects stress-free with Alpha Clippies. As the newest member of the Alpha Biddies family, these sturdy clips make it easy to label and organize fabric pieces with letters and numbers so your cuts stay together. With 26 letters and 10 numbers, as well as a special grip for easy handling, they hold multiple layers of fabric, remove the guesswork, and keep your sewing room peacefully organized. Okay, this is so exciting. Haha, I didn't mean to do that, but S-E-W, so exciting. In my head, I said it. Oh, I picked up an L too, which is my favorite letter, obviously. So these are really cool. Look at those. These are so nice. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, this is what they look like all here in this little box. This is really nice. I'm excited about this item. This next item is also awesome. This is the Schmetz Universal Needles size 9014. This is exactly what I use on my long arm actually. And these do retail for $4.48. And it says the Schmetz Universal Needles size 9014 are a staple in any sewing basket. Made to fit all household sewing machine brands, this set of 5 is perfect for all woven and knitted fabrics and are even designed to prevent shredding and breakage when sewing. The Schmetz Universal Needles deliver smooth, reliable stitches that keep you in the zone and stitches that will last through the years. In addition to the 9014 on my long arm, I do use 7511s, if anybody was curious, on my domestic Bernina, my QE 770. All right, we have our fabric here. This is the Starlight Front Porch Fat Quarter Bundle by Allison Harris for Wyndham Fabrics. It does retail for $31.98, and it says, embrace your favorite memories of home with the Starlight Front Porch Fat Quarter Bundle. This collection, designed by Allison Harris, features patchwork stars, versatile basics, and modern florals across cool blues, rich reds, and a touch of jade green, curated into a cozy 9-piece Fat Quarter bundle. It's a great choice for treasured keepsakes. Try it with the Starlight quilt pattern in this month's box. Okay, and I have to say these colors totally remind me of 4th of July, actually, other than the teal maybe. Let me go ahead and take this apart, and I will show you what they look like. And if anybody's curious, I did only have 7 in a bundle, and then Fat Quarter Shop gave the extra 2. Here is our pattern. This is the Starlight quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop, and I have to say I really love this pattern a lot. This does retail for $9.98. It is a Sew Sampler exclusive. You cannot find it on their website. However, the Facebook group Sew Sampler Swap, which I will also link below, is where you can get patterns like these when people either don't like them or they just want to gift it. So go ahead and check that out if you'd like this pattern and you don't subscribe to the box. So it says, looking for your next favorite quilt to show off? This Starlight quilt pattern puts a modern twist on traditional charm, featuring bold patchwork stars framed with a lovely border and finishing 65 inches square. With its inviting layout and balanced symmetry, this timeless design is sure to become a home and heartwarming favorite. Okay, so sampler finishing kits are available on the Fat Quarter Shop's website. I'll also go ahead and link that below. I'm excited about this size. 65 inches square is a really great lap size. Here are the other fabric requirements so that you can go ahead and pre-plan this before they sell out. And I just noticed that it says 63.5 by 63.5, but then this actually does say 65 square. So I'm not sure which one is correct, if I'm being really honest, because then the back also says 64.5 by 64.5. So 63.5 by 63.5, 64.5 by 64.5, 65 inches square. I'm not sure which one is correct. Maybe I'll figure that out and let you know down below as well. And finally, our Flowering Quilt Along block number 9. This month's Flowering Quilt block is ready to bloom. Let your creativity run wild as this sampler quilt sprouts into a true forget-me-not stitch by stitch. If you missed one, all flowering block patterns will be available at the Fat Quarter Shop. This does retail for $4.98, and this is another one of those things that you'll find on Sew Sampler Swap as well. There's a lot of people that don't like this quilt along, so they just want to get rid of their patterns and offload them. So you might be able to find a really good deal and not have to pay the $5 per pattern. So check it out. I feel like this was a really hard box to pick just one item that I loved the most because I actually really love that fabric. I love patriotic type colors, I guess. It's not really patriotic fabric except for maybe the gingham or the plaid, I guess. But I really love those alpha clippies. I am so excited that we got those. So that is my favorite item this month. And then obviously the needles are super useful. So yeah, pretty much everything. So the total box contents came out to $74.40. We did have those two very high dollar items, the alpha clippies right here, as well as all of the fabric. Those were two very high dollar items. And then let's see what we saved. All right, so give or take the box, which was $29.95. Of course, you're gonna pay tax in your state, whatever that happens to be, mine's 6%. I didn't include that in this calculation, and I did not include shipping because you're gonna pay that anyway if you would purchase these items standalone on Fat Quarter Shop's website. But we did save $44, $45-ish, right, other than like tax. That's a really great savings, and I think we got a really great items in this month's box. And I would absolutely love to know what you guys think, and I hope that you have a wonderful holiday and a very happy new year. Bye everybody, have a great night.